Attending the IAI Conference 2024 is an incredible experience. Imagine being in one venue together with international educators, experts that are enthusiastic in shaping the global education. For Bat State U, this is a very good experience. We were able to turn simple meetings into meaningful collaborations and partnerships. And a part of the experience, we were able to nurture relationships with partners. We were able to explore the city, and we were able to gather relevant experiences. IAI 2024 is a good venue to explore more internationalization engagements for different universities in the Philippines. We are grateful to Embassy of France in the Philippines for this opportunity.